Wherever you see hard work happening, you'll find heavy equipment and the tires that keep them rolling. But from time to time, those tires fail. And when that happens, the work comes to a screeching halt. But maybe not. Enter TyrFil. 50 years ago, TyrFil began innovating flatproofing technologies that have reversed work delays and stoppages, keeping the wheels of progress turning all around the world. TyrFil flatproofing, a polyurethane liquid that is pumped into your pneumatic tires, replaces the air with a resilient synthetic elastomer core. This core eliminates dangerous and costly tire flats on off-the-road equipment, and the TyrFil rod is substantially smoother than other no-flat options, reducing fatigue and wear and tear on your operators and equipment. Keeping your equipment rolling is our top priority, followed closely by being responsible to our planet. So with a sustainable future in mind, TyrFil has introduced recycling technology that significantly reduces the use of oil, petrochemicals, toxic metals, and other environmentally harmful compounds. The latest extension to the TyrFil recycling technology lineup, the patented AutoFill Gen 2, grinds and mixes rubber crumb or polyurethane grinds from your used tires, then pumps the flatproofing mixture at high speed into your current tires. TyrFil recycling technology prevents solid tire waste from going into rapidly filling landfills. It's a win for the planet and a win for your business. TyrFil keeps the world rolling, and we'll keep you rolling too. Check out TyrFil Tire Solutions today. Call us at 800-821-4147 or visit us online.